You're not lazy. You're not broken. You're not behind. But if you're still stuck, financially, emotionally, even spiritually, there's a reason, and it's quieter than you think. Part 1. The Unseen Traps. Most people aren't held back by lack of effort. They're held back by invisible traps. Pause. Slow fade to night sky. Trap number 1, the survival loop. Wake up, pay bills, worry, sleep, repeat. A loop built to keep you tired, not free. Trap number 2, financial noise. Everyone shouting, invest here, side hustle this, crypto, property, stocks. But real wealth doesn't come from noise. It comes from knowing what to ignore. Trap number 3, the comparison disease. You scroll, you sigh, you see people doing better, so you doubt your own path. But you forget, they might be miles ahead on a very different road. Part 2, the quiet exit. Want to break free? You don't need more hustle. You need quiet direction. Let me share what I call the quiet exit plan. Simple, unsexy, powerful. Step 1, track nothing but truth. No apps, no spreadsheets. Just take one page every night. Write 3 truths. 1, what I spent today. 2, what I feared today. 3, what I avoided today. You'll see your patterns, and patterns lead to freedom. Step 2, choose one anchor habit, 5:30 to 6:30, not 10 things, not a morning routine, just one action daily that makes you feel wealthy, not rich, wealthy. Examples: reviewing your money every Sunday, eating dinner without a phone, saying no to one small purchase. Simplicity is power. Step 3, practice invisible discipline. Don't post, don't brag, just build in silence. The strongest wealth builders, they don't tweet their wins. They stack them in the dark. Part 3, the inner shift. Money only flows when trust is present. Not trust in banks, but trust in yourself. You're not waiting for luck. You're waiting to believe your own voice. Inner shift. Number 1, I don't chase, I design. Every day remind yourself, I am the architect, not the chaser. Spend 5 minutes designing your life like a calm blueprint. What do I really want to feel? What hours do I want to work? What habits actually give me peace? Inner shift. Number 2, stop worshiping complex. The world sells complicated so you feel small, but all greatness is simple. Save first, spend later, protect energy, move daily, rest deeply. That's wealth. Inner shift. Number 3, choose peace over performance. Sometimes we don't want freedom. We want to look successful. But you weren't born to impress. You were born to breathe. Trade hustle for intention. Trade busyness for quiet clarity. That's how you truly get unstuck. You will outgrow the noise. You will walk a different path, and you will be free, not because the world changed, but because you quietly did. So tonight, just start with one truth, one habit, one belief, and let the rest unfold. If this message found your heart today, let Sage walk beside you. Subscribe for more calm wisdom and practical wealth every week, because peace is the real profit.